What is it? What is it? Can you press the lights? Wow. Do you like it? You want to take it out of there? Do you like it? Okay, we'll open it.
Open that.
Okay, just a second.
Let's open that.
Okay, let's open it. Let's get it out of there.
Let's get it out of here. Let's get it out of here.
Get it out of here so you can play with it.
Let's play it that.
We're going to need a knife. I need a knife to get that cut.
Let's try to open that.
Yeah, okay, stand back. I got a knife. There we go.
Here we go.
Oh, we need a screwdriver now. Hang on, buddy, hang on. Here. Takes a screwdriver to get this out of here.
Let's get it out of here.
There, I think we got it.
We got it. We got it.
You just have to get this out of there. Oh, there you go. Uh-oh. Hold on, buddy. Hold on. Let me see. Does that have to stay on there? What in the world? Hang on.
Where did that go from?
Hang on. Okay, there you go. Now it's ready to go. There, now it can go. Yeah, do you like it? Do you like it? Play with it. See if you can make it go. Is it can go? Oh, there it goes. Let it go. Let it go. Oh, there it goes. It started to go. Whoa.
Let's open these.
Well, no, just one, buddy. Whoa, there it goes. Let it go. There it goes. Whoa. What do you think? Oh, it goes backwards. Uh-oh, stuck on Mama's purse. Pretty cool, huh?